Bay, Aruba now. Oranjestad Aruba. I'm gonna walk back towards the port now. From this marina area with some popular places to take photos, a little marketplace with some restaurants. As we can see one of the ships in the background. I just filmed the Oranjestad Aruba one as well, and that one had more of a, I would say more of a cute, compact, walkable downtown. This one is a little bit more spread out with shopping and restaurants and things like that, but you will see a little bit more in a second as I work my way back towards the port. So that's the marina area we just came from as we're heading back towards the cruise ships. If we had kept going in the opposite direction, away from where I'm walking now, you would start to get to some of the beaches. But I'm just going to keep this towards a port and surrounding area type of tour. So we have a mall here on the right, the Renaissance Mall, with of course lots of shopping, as malls tend to have. We have a nice big bar right here. Seems well stocked. And this drag's gonna go on for a while, as you'll see. And it'll lead to kind of the port area where lots of souvenirs and shops are, as I'll show you in a little bit. Bunch of vendor stalls along the way. More shopping on the right. It's pretty interesting architecture on a lot of these buildings. More shopping, more buildings, more espresso. More shopping. And more shopping. If you like to shop, there's tons of shopping. Did I mention shopping? So as you can see, this initial stretch out of the port is almost entirely shopping. There's a few restaurants and bars thrown in, but it's almost entirely shopping in stores, and then shopping in little stands like this, little souvenir shops and things like that. As I said, there are beaches nearby. Hello, hello. There are beaches nearby, and they're just a little bit further out. I will also say, as we get closer here, that the ports, or the areas where the ships are, so we see this Carnival ship on the left, that's not too bad of a walk. But if you take an Oasis class ship on Royal, you're almost certainly going to be at the far end of the port. See how you can see Oasis in the background on the right there? That is a very, very long walk by traditional standards to get back to the port. So if you aren't able to walk very far, or it's pretty warm out here, or you have mobility issues or anything like that, then I would recommend getting a shuttle or arranging for some type of transportation, because even walking over here this morning, there were a lot of people complaining about how it's much further than it looked, and they had a hard time walking and they weren't happy about it. So anyway, just wanted to share that with you. Not as much going on in the Aruba port and area besides shopping, as opposed to Oranjestad Aruba. If you haven't seen that video, check it out. I should have posted it recently. And again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next one. So just for a little bit of bonus, I'm going to walk along here and show you what this path kind of looks like. So if you see, you have to stay inside of these guide rails here and on this red path. And as you can see, it goes quite far. It's a hike. It's probably at least a quarter-mile walk total on there to get to the ship and to get on. So something to be aware of. And once again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.